Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In this video, I'll walk you through the easy and straightforward process of setting up your Netfun Wi-Fi extender using the WPS method. This quick setup requires no technical expertise and only takes a few minutes. Let's dive in and get started. Begin by unboxing your Netfun Wi-Fi extender. Inside, you'll find the extender, a user manual, and often a quick installation guide. Carefully check the package to ensure all items are included and undamaged before moving on to the setup process. Start by plugging your Netfun Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet close to your router. Allow a moment for the power LED on the extender to illuminate, signaling that the device is powered on and ready to begin the pairing process. Next, find the WPS button on your router and press it for approximately 2 to 3 seconds. The WPS LED on the router will begin blinking, signaling that the router is now in pairing mode and ready to connect with the extender. Next, press and hold the WPS button on your Netfun Wi-Fi extender for 2 to 3 seconds. The WPS LED on the extender will begin to blink, signaling that it's actively connecting to your router. Wait for the process to complete. Give both devices a minute or two to complete the connection process. Once the WPS pairing is successfully established, the LED indicator on your extender will light up solid, confirming that it is now securely connected to your router. Once the pairing is successful, unplug the extender and place it in an area where you need enhanced Wi-Fi coverage. For optimal performance, position it halfway between your router and the area with weak signal. Plug it back in and wait for the LED to light up, indicating it's properly connected. Now, test the extended network by connecting your devices to the new Wi-Fi signal. The extender will broadcast the same name as your router, but with _ext added to the end. This will provide you with enhanced coverage in areas with weak signal. If you face any issues or require assistance, our dedicated team of skilled professionals is ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out to us for support and guidance. Contact us anytime at 1-323-507-3713 for prompt assistance. And that's it. Your Netfun Wi-Fi extender is now successfully set up using the WPS method, providing you with seamless Wi-Fi coverage in your home or office. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.